Good morning, everyone. I'm here at my newest listing, 417 Farm Life School Road. This is a 6.5 acre farm, horse farm, with a 3-stall barn. And out back, with the falling leaves, there is a round pen and 2 fenced pastures. Both have run-in sheds. Let me see if I can give you a little bit better view of that. There's that. Absolutely gorgeous this time of year. And I'm going to take you inside and show you the house. So when you walk in, there's a laundry room / mud room with washer dryer hookups. Nice window. And then if you open the door here, it comes into the main living area with the kitchen and dining area. Lots of natural light. It's absolutely gorgeous. There is a section over here for a office space. There's some puppies outside. French doors to the deck, which overlooks the pasture. There's a puppy there. This is the secondary bedroom, which the owners have used just as storage. There is a full bath attached with a shower and a really nice closet space. So that's awesome. In the hallway, there's a nice hallway coat closet. Lots of good storage in this home. And then an additional closet here that could be used as a linen closet. This is the primary bathroom. A beautiful window, lots of light. And then you head into the primary bedroom. It also has the French doors out to the deck. Good sized closet here, and then a walk-in closet. Lots of space here. So there's a lot of good space inside this little house. But of course the best part is the horse facilities. So if you have horses and you're looking for a quiet kind of oasis, this is your property. It is being sold as is. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.